welcome to my home. Let's go this way into the kitchen.
Hey everybody, I'm Adam and welcome to the Roadside Gourmet, where we are going to elevate your cooking in the kitchen, backyard, and campsite. I originally started shooting cooking videos about 4 years ago when I was planning a huge motorcycle trip, and the whole idea was that I was going to cook just off of the kitchen that I have on my motorcycle. Because of COVID and a whole lot of other factors, that trip didn't happen. But I had so much fun building these cooking videos that I wanted to start it again. And so here we are in my house, in my kitchen, and we're going to make some gourmet meals the simple way. Every recipe that we make together in my kitchen, we're going to be able to replicate at the campsite, on the side of the road, in your backyard. Everything is going to be from simple ingredients using techniques that anybody can master, but we're going to elevate every part of your cooking. Whether it's a Cajun perch dinner for two cooked off the kitchen that I have on my motorcycle, or if it's a full prime rib dinner done over a campsite for a party of 12. I will walk you through every single step so that you can elevate your cooking wherever you are. One of my most favorite things about a platform like this is that I can interact with you. So in the comments below, if you have ideas, if you have something that you'd love to see me cook, please put it in there. I can guarantee you that we will figure out a way to do it. Putting together a project like the Roadside Gourmet is impossible without help. So I need to say a great big thank you to my amazing partner in crime and life. Behind the camera is Jeanette. Say hi, Jeanette.
Hi, Jeanette.
And just to give you an example of some of the cooking that we've been able to do together, Jeanette loves lobster, absolutely loves lobster. And we were camping and I decided it was time to surprise her with a meal. Didn't have a barbecue, we were tenting. So I bought some lobster, I bought some mussels, and over the campfire, I did an entire seafood extravaganza. Anything is possible if we just give it a little bit of thought. I want to thank you for watching the Roadside Gourmet. We are going to have a blast putting together all of these recipes. You're going to follow Jeanette and I while we travel all over the place and make all these fun meals. And we're going to work right from here from my kitchen. So thank you again. If you like what you see, please hit the like button, hit the little bell so you know when I put up a new video, and please share it with everybody you've ever met. Until next time, bon appetit.
Adam's making Jiffy Pop.
Adam's making Jiffy Pop.